Yo, what up guys, it is Warhollins and today I'm coming to you guys with another YouTube video. Today is going to be on my latest pickup, and it is a near mint condition M1917 Bolo knife that was primarily used by machine gunners. Typically it was used to clear fields of fire, chop down basically small pieces of wood, sometimes maybe even a tree if you're strong enough, I guess. So this is a M1917. It was made by the Plum Philadelphia company in 1918, and it's a model 1917, of course. The sheath or scabbard is also 1918 dated. It's made by the Brower brothers. It has the M1910 belt hanger, and it actually has someone's initials on it. So let's get into it. So here is the full piece. It's literally, I think it's about 16 inches long. The blade is about 11 inches by itself. The handle is about 5 inches, 6 inches, and it has the full tang, so the blade goes all the way down. Let's see here. The handle has grooves for your fingers, so it's really nice in the hand. I really like it. I might have to get a reproduction of this so I could actually use it if I need to. So it's in really great condition, the wood. You can see it on this side also. Now here is the M1910 hanger. This will go on your M1910 or M1923 cartridge belt. I've seen these in photographs during World War I, but I haven't really seen a lot during World War II. I could imagine that the Marines definitely were issued these at one point. These could have been used as combat knives. These could have been, shortened down, turned into fighting knives if, possible. So here is the Brower Brothers stamping, and it says 1918, clearly written. You can see right here down the spine is actually the metal / wood scabbard that the actual blade is sitting in. So this canvas is actually basically like a t-shirt or like a cover that's over the scabbard. I can't pull it out though. It is removable. You can see it in other YouTube videos on here, but that's made of cowhide and is tied up with cowhide as well. Here's the other side. You can see some of the leather is a little bit dirty right there, a little old, but it is 100 years old and it's in pretty great shape for the age. So the weird thing about this blade, and I'm assuming is probably the leading cause to why it's in such nice condition, it has all its bluing, is because it's actually covered in cosmoline. Cosmoline is of course what the militaries, for example, the Soviet Union covered their SKS rifles and nagants in cosmoline, so they could be, issued, if possible, during maybe a war, World War III. So this is the full blade. This is what it looks like in the hand. Now it is covered in cosmoline, that's why it is a little shiny, but usually you'll see them over here will usually have more marks, because when you're pushing it back and forth inside the scabbard it's going to be scratching, but this one really hasn't happened a lot. You could see, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, it says Plum Philadelphia 1918. Whoops. It is kind of, blotched out a little bit because of the cosmoline. I'll have to get it washed off. And on this side, you can see US Mod 1917. It's also kind of hard to see on the camera, especially with this cosmoline. It's kind of sharp. The edge is only really, cut down on one side, and the other side it really isn't. So it weighs about 2.5 pounds, which is insane. This sucker, I'd carry this with me, especially on my belt. You can see how thick the actual blade is. It's a 1/4 inch thick. So yeah, it's pretty nice fighting knife, if you ask me. Cut it down maybe a little bit more, maybe up to here, and you get a really nice knife. So I might have to get a reproduction of this. You guys could see more videos online about this blade. Here is the inside of the scabbard. It's the metal and then the cowhide and wood also. So it just slips inside there really easily, like so. I don't want to really scratch up the blade, that's why I'm doing it so slowly. But it goes in there really easy, just like so. So thanks guys for watching. I'll have another video up soon, within the week, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.